know, but you can't. Hey, Miley.
Hi, I'm Miley, and this is my best friend, Mandy.
We've been besties for 2 years.
Yeah, 2 whole years.
Actually, it's been like 6 or 7 months when we've gotten really close.
Like 6 or 7. Oh! What are you doing? The camera, baby! What is this? What is this?
I swear, we're not even dating. It's not what it looks like. Vanessa, get down.
Vanessa, you promised those pictures to me. How could you do this?
Please go back.
They were Vanessa
No pictures.
Mandy.
No pictures. Everyone just leave. Just leave.
What is this?
Please go. These are private, personal pictures for no one to see.
I gotta say,
Mandy and Miley are just gonna have to do a little dance for you.
I guess so.
Yeah, you need to go that way so you can do our dance. Ready?
I don't want to be like a dancing monkey.
Oh my God, girl, no.
I know. Like besties for 2 years. Look at us. And we
Forever.
We're gonna be best friends forever. So you see, we have some other friends on our show. We have Zach and Vanessa, which they're not dating. They're not like official yet, but
And I have 0 boyfriends.
yeah. Guess how many boyfriends we have? 0. This nanny.
Go that way.
Oh.
Go that way.
Sorry. My life. But see, I'm your bestie, so you just drive me to the store and I'll buy you a new one, right? Yeah, because you're 20, I'm 15.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, girl.
And because I love her because she drives me everywhere. You're so nice to me.
Oh, thanks, girl.
Thank you. Actually, we really love Miley Cyrus. You rock, girl. I just got back from the Oscars. And don't I look so hot?
What about me?
Get out of my spotlight, Mandy.
I thought I was Mandy. Wait, no.
I'm Miley.
Oh, wait. I forgot. I was going to say, I'm like 15 years old. I was like, wait a second. It's supposed to be switched. Sorry. Oh, hey. Look what it is. It's Joe. It's Joe.
Yes, I'm Joe Jonas in living form, and I'm here.
This isn't your
because
girlfriend, Miley.
I'm having a love affair with
so
Miley, even though she's been dating my brother Nick.
Joe, I thought we were something, Joe.
Vanessa, you're a slut.
Joe. Get off of our show.
gotta say what's on my mind.
Something about us doesn't think alright these days.
I can't wait to see you again. I've got my sights set on you.
Nobody's perfect. I gotta dancing on my show.
I went for the year 3000. Not much has changed, but they love to see you again.
We were meant to
I'm a dancer for Miley. Does that count for anything, please?
Baby, come back to me.
Lady, dance. Come on. Maybe
I don't dance. I know you can.
Whoa, that's not your song.
No. I can do this, but you can do that. Wait, I'm a beach girl.
Well, we're
I'm a beach girl. I'm a beach girl.
We're videotaping beach girl.
Okay, yeah, it's for ages.
lady.
For like young people that are my age,
Joe
like older
and
people
Mandy
that are
Joe and
35 or
Mandy
40.
hit it off.
Excuse me.
These are not
for Drake Bell.
Baby, come on. You're not just messing. Come on.
Looks like it's just. You can say your name. Miley. And Mandy now. Okay, so anyway, why are you guys being so quiet? You're like at my dad's rock concert or something.
Yeah. Are you guys listening? Are you listening? Are you paying attention?
Watching? Are you listening?
Don't look at them. No. Are you listening?
This is my show, not theirs.
I'm sorry.
our
I
show.
forgot that I wasn't Miley for a second because we talked about how Miley's
so
our favorite
close.
person, and so we're just basically one now.
Oh my gosh. Please no.
No pictures. No pictures. We don't want any pictures of Vanessa getting out. Right, Vanessa? What are you talking about? Camera.
You gotta, you know, it's all censored here on the Miley and Mandy show because we wouldn't want anything for our young viewers.
For our young viewers, like the ones who are like 3 and 4.
cuss words and vulgarity.
Hey,
we do not
Mandy.
accept that.
Mandy, I heard you were being in a band called Beach Babes.
Yeah, it's Beach Girls.
Oh.
I'm not too sexy for that.
Sorry.
I heard it was like the Spice Girls. Yeah, it's like the Spice Girls meets the Beach Boys.
For all age groups?
Yeah, even 30-year-olds. Those sickos can watch it.